So in this video, you'll learn how to remove a PIN, password, or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you no longer want to have your screen lock type, again, PIN, password, or pattern on your tablet, then this is what you can do to remove it. Start by navigating to Settings, and then scroll and select the option Lock Screen. Under Lock Screen, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and then enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. From here, tap on Swipe or None, and with any choice that you make, you will be prompted to remove any registered fingerprints or Face ID from your tablet, if you have them there. So tap on Remove Data, then Confirm. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully removed your PIN, password, or pattern. So now whenever you go to the lock screen, you'll notice all it needs to do is just a swipe or even just pressing on the button to unlock your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.